concentration, excellence, credibility. The core concept of all-win harmony, the value orientation of pioneer and innovation. CG Kok Handsome, pioneer of the innovative model of China's economic cooperate with foreign countries and leader of combining the client vision and market demands, is now rising on Africa and the whole world. CG Kok Handsome is established in September 2005 in Beijing. After passing through 7 years, it has set up several overseas branches and offices in 15 countries and regions, including Nigeria, Ethiopia, Angola, Zambia, Chad, Algeria, Republic of South Sudan, United Arab Emirates, Mali, Cameroon, Iraq, Djibouti, etc. Meanwhile, it has developed a broad international trade with the United States, Canada, some South American countries like Brazil and Cuba, etc. Network basis, value mining. Handsome has promoted a series of products like bulldozers, loaders, excavators, road rollers, concrete pump trucks, truck trains and other kinds of equipment and vehicles of the first-class manufacturers, which largely helped Chinese national brands to go abroad and gain a worldwide reputation. CG Kok Handsome's development is based on the rich resources supported by the 5 shareholders, such as CG Kok Group Company Limited, Liu Gong Machinery Company Limited, Shantui Construction Machinery Company Limited, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Corporation Limited, Shandong Ruihua Construction Machinery Company Limited, etc. Handsome offers a first-class and professional service, machine sales, spare parts supply and after-sales service, equipment and vehicle leasing trade, as well as mineral and agricultural trade, which gain a high reputation from overseas customers. Following the 4S philosophy of sale, spare part, service, and survey, Handsome contributed to the development dream of its customers, and it continued to create miracles in the domain. By establishing the enterprise's resource planning, customer relationship management, and dealership network, Handsome truly realized a quaternity chain business model abroad and built an overseas core competitiveness, including excellent after-sales service system and systematic service network. Handsome has maximized the customer-centric idea, which definitely won the trust and recognition from many African governments, organizations, larger foreign enterprises residing in Africa, and Chinese overseas state-owned enterprises, and thus, it built up a long-term and stable strategic cooperation relationship. Handsome dedicates to the glorious project of realizing the true internationalization of Chinese overseas enterprises. After 7 years of effort, Handsome has become the purchasing agent of equipment and vehicles for many countries and governments. In 2008, Handsome signed a 2,500 engineering vehicles contract with Ethiopian government. Later on, in 2011 and 2012, Handsome once again received a procurement project of 366 self-dumping trucks from Ethiopian government. Handsome was granted B-grade qualification on materials in aid of a foreign country enterprises from the Ministry of Commerce of the Chinese government in the early 2012, and at the same time, it undertook the Chinese government relief project of assistance of bus for Djiboutian government. Development knows no bounds. Handsome service also knows no bounds. Hansom's success cannot be reached without the strong support and encouragement from its shareholders and strategic partners. Holding the belief of cooperation, mutual benefit, and all-win, Hansom has cooperated with the domestic and international first-class enterprises, which largely strengthened its competencies to become the pioneer in the international marketing of overseas construction machinery and equipment. In order to build an operation management team, Hansom set up a strategic partnership with renowned international business schools and well-known domestic construction machinery schools, which could enrich the enterprise with outstanding managerial personnel and technical personnel. Realize the localized implementation of talent management strategy, execute advanced cultural concept, and establish a tenacious spirit of enterprise. All these ensured Hansom's healthy and stable progress in its successful overseas path of development. Brave person will never satisfied with status quo. Wise man is especially good at self-improvement. In the future development, Hansom will continue its excellent marketing management team and innovate business models to build a heavy industrial frontal enterprise with high cohesiveness and strong sense of social responsibility. It is dedicated to become an internationally renowned overseas all-around integrated solution provider and business resources operator. To the year 2015, Hansom will realize its target of exploring 20 state-level markets and achieving 3,000 to 3,500 million yuan operating revenue. Hansom will try its best to create a global enterprise and to write a new future with its capability. Harmonious development, pursuit of innovation, building a global brand is Hansom's continued pursuit. It is always dedicated to help customers to explore markets, deepen development, and create mutual resplendence.